In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts on Reddit. If you've started writing a post on Reddit and didn't publish it right away, there's a good chance it was saved as a draft. Knowing where to find those drafts can save you time and help you continue working on a post instead of starting over. The good news is that Reddit makes this fairly simple once you know where to look. To begin, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main page you see after opening Reddit and signing into your account. If you're not already logged in, make sure you do that first because drafts are tied to your personal account and won't be visible otherwise. Once you're on the home dashboard, take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all of the navigation options are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open your account menu where Reddit keeps several personal options and tools related to your activity. If you're using Reddit on a desktop browser, this area is usually easy to spot because it contains your avatar or profile icon. Clicking there gives you access to settings, profile-related features, and, importantly for this tutorial, your saved drafts. After the profile menu opens, click on Drafts. This is the section where Reddit stores posts you started but didn't finish or publish. Once you select it, you should be able to see your saved draft posts and open them to continue editing. This can be especially helpful if you were interrupted while writing, wanted to come back to a post later, or were still deciding whether to publish it. If you don't immediately see a draft, make sure you're checking the correct account, especially if you use more than one Reddit login. It's also worth noting that drafts may depend on where and how the post was originally created, so the feature may appear slightly differently depending on your device or version of Reddit. Still, the general path remains the same: home dashboard, profile menu, then drafts. And that's all it takes to find drafts on Reddit. Once you know where this option lives, it becomes much easier to manage unfinished posts and pick up right where you left off.